Hi there everyone. Today I'm going to be making a simple and delicious cake. I'll start with the eggs. Here I have the sugar. So I'll beat the eggs in the sugar. Okay, now start adding the flour. And the milk. Okay, now I'll add the rest of the flour. The baking powder. Okay, so, and we're all done with the flour. And here I have vanilla. You can use the liquid. This is just the powder. Okay, so now I'm gonna get a little bit of the cocoa. I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of the batter. This is done. And here I have a cake pan that I put some oil and flour. So you can put parchment paper if you want, but I did it this way, just this time. Okay, so, and my oven, it's on. Just my fingers, my hands are really clean. Put this all around. I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. Now, with the end of the spoon, I'm just gonna go like this all around. And it's done. I'm gonna put it in the oven and I will show it to you when it comes out. Okay, the cake is ready. It's been cooling off. It's still a little bit warm. So I'm gonna just take it out from the pan. Looks nice. Let's see if I can do this. Still warm. Nice. I'm gonna cut a piece. Beautiful. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time. Ciao for now.